In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play CS2 with a steering wheel. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By default, your steering wheel might not work with CS2. So in order to do this, we will need to use an external tool that will translate the inputs from the steering wheel into inputs that CS2 can understand. There are various different pieces of software that can do this, but the one that I recommend is this one, X360CE. Like I said before, this tool will translate the inputs from your steering wheel into controller inputs or even keyboard inputs, and those inputs can be read by CS2. Once you have the tool downloaded, you should click on Add Game and choose CS2 if it is not already on the list of games, and you can choose it from here after it has been added. And alongside this, you should also go ahead and connect your steering wheel to your PC, usually done through a USB cable. Once it is connected, you can click on any of these controller tabs that you see here at the top, so controller 1, controller 2, 3, and so on. So you click on a specific one. In here, you should find your device. If it is not on the list, then you can choose the option to add a new device, and then select it here, your steering wheel. So in this example, the Logitech G920. Choose the option to add the device, and once it is assigned to this controller, you will have to configure everything. You can try to look for profiles. Usually there will be a default profile attached, and that should work, but if the default profile is not working, then you will have to press all of the buttons on the controller, or rather the steering wheel, and map them to specific actions. So for example, the bumper, button 6, back, button 8, start, button 7, guide, button 11, and so on. And you have to configure everything. If you are using a steering wheel, of course, you will also have to change stuff related to force feedback, dead zones, and so on. And once all of this is changed, you can save this profile and run it when CS2 is started. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.